Kiddyzuzaa.
Esme, would you mind turning that down a bit? It's really loud. Esme! Fine.
Olivia, I think the batteries in your remote are dead.
There should be some spare ones in the drawer.
Can't see any. Where are they? Never mind. Is that better, Olivia? Olivia? I can't hear you, Olivia. Ooh, I didn't hear you coming, Olivia. You scared me. Are you okay, Olivia? Olivia, you've lost your voice. It's like someone's turned down your volume.
Ah! Wait, I heard that. I heard that too. Wait, where's it gone? Oh, it's back again. Yes. Hello? What's happening? Olivia, is that Italian? Isabella, can you translate?
Hello, Esme. Lost, are we? Oh no, not Malice! Oh! Nice shoes! Thanks! Nah, this is too odd. Whoa, that was weird. Things are really getting out of hand. There must be something on here to help. Aha! Let's see what's coming up. Oh dear. Oh, that stressed me out. I could really use some food.
Sweets for sale.
Ah, that's better. Ah, what a mess. It's going to take me ages to clear all this up. Unless... This magic remote is the best.
Esme, I came as quick as I could. Esme?
Up here.
Esme, what are you doing up there?
Oh, just having a nap.
Really?
No, not really. Well, actually, I was having a nap, but not up here, on the sofa. The next thing I know, I wake up and I'm stuck to the ceiling.
Very curious. Oh, it's Isabella. Isabella, what's up? You're stuck to what? I'll be there as soon as I can.
Oh, I'll just wait here then.
Right, Isabella, let's have a... Whoa.
My hair is ruined.
Oh, poor Isabella. Here. How did this happen?
I don't know. I came in to brush my hair, and before I knew it, my hand was stuck to my head. It was like it had been glued there. Bye then.
Oh. There's got to be something that ties this all together.
The next thing I know, I wake up and I'm stuck to the ceiling. Before I knew it, my hand was stuck to my head. It was like it had been glued there. It was like it had been glued there. It was like it had been glued there. Glued there. Glued there. Glued there. There. There.
Maybe it was something they ate.
It was like someone put glue on us. Glue. Glue. Look for someone with a big tube of glue.
Maybe I should look for someone with a big tube of glue. But who would have a big tube of glue?
Oh, hi, Olivia.
Hi, Malice. Of course.
These should get me out of quite a few sticky situations.
I knew it. Malice, the game is up.
Olivia, what are you doing in here?
Don't play dumb with me, Malice. I know you got a giant Pritt stick under that cloth.
Pritt stick?
Oh, come on. Sticky situations. You've been causing mischief with a giant glue stick.
This is just a tube of sticks for my stick collection.
Stick collection.
What? All the cool witches have them.
Sure they do, Malice. This doesn't make any sense.
Don't listen to her.
If Malice didn't do it, then... Oh, hey, Liliana. Liliana.
Olivia, it's not what it looks like, I swear. I was just testing out a new invention.
Liliana.
Olivia, please calm down. Let's talk about this. Olivia. Probably deserve that.
Are you nearly done, Olivia?
Just a bit more shading on the nose and done.
All right, let's see it.
I think you're going to be pretty pleased, Isabella.
Oh, wow. That's actually really good.
Surprised?
It's just normally Malice would have done something to ruin it by now. I'm just surprised she hasn't, that's all.
That will be my new malice-proof door.
Ah.
You think you could stop me, Olivia? Well, if I can't trick you in person, I'll get you to do it for me. Ooh, I haven't used this in years. Time to cause some mischief. Once upon a time, there lived a princess called Olivia, who just loved to squeeze paint over a stupid work of art. Still works. What just happened?
You just ruined the painting.
That's so strange. I don't remember doing any of this. Better start again, I guess. This time she painted Isabella with a great big moustache.
Olivia?
I don't know what's going on. I think her finger slipped. What's happening to me?
I think someone's been taking lessons from Malice.
Malice! She must have put me under a spell or something.
Excuses, excuses. Anyway, what about the malice-proof door?
Oh, yeah. Oh, those silly princesses won't know that it was me, Malice, using my magic typewriter to prank them.
Huh?
Whoops! Did I type that out loud?
Magic typewriter?
Of course! Why didn't I think of it before? Isabella, remember that time I made you sit through my 10-hour interpretive dance performance?
How could I forget?
Well, immediately after that, I threw cake at you, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Well, that was Malice, controlling me with her magic typewriter.
No.
She must be using it again.
What are we going to do?
Well, luckily, I've got a magic tool of my own. I better sort this mess out before they turn myself into a carrot. Perfect. It's finally here, Timothy. Friday the 13th. I wonder what evil will show itself today. I wonder who that could be. Hey, Malice. I just came to return your evil hair straightener. Thanks. Anyways, I better get going. The forecast says it's going to be a thunderstorm soon. Fine. Do you want to come in? Yay! Sleepover! What was that, Malice? Why am I talking to myself? Oh, it's fine. I do it all the time. It helps me remember stuff like what I ate that day, what I'm going to eat later. Esme, we've swapped bodies. Oh, yeah. I wondered why I smelled so bad. Esme, what are we going to do? Let's call Isabella. She'll know what to do.
There, all better.
We're still in each other's bodies, Isabella. This didn't work at all.
Wait, you've swapped bodies? I just thought you decided to change that terrible hair of yours. I wonder.
you were supposed to be good at fixing things.
I am. I fix things with my screwdriver, but it looks like my screwdriver needs fixing.
Olivia, please, you have to fix this. I can't take it anymore. Please hurry.
Don't worry, Malice. I know just the thing to get this all back to normal. Here it is. Just say these words. Olivia is the best.
Olivia is the best.
And Malice stinks.
Hey!
Sorry, Malice. I don't write the spells. I just use them.
Ugh, fine. And Malice stinks. I can't believe that spell actually worked. Who wrote this thing? Aha! That must be my delivery of spider food. You hear that, Timothy? It's almost time for din-dins. Ooh. Good afternoon.
Are you Malice?
I am indeed.
Package for you. That's all. Good day, ma'am.
Thanks. Timothy, I overordered on spider food again. It's going to be a feast. Wait! This isn't spider food! It's a mirror!
Dear Malice, I know you're sat there wondering why I've sent you a mirror and wondering where Timothy's spider food is. Send him my regards, by the way. Well, this isn't any old mirror. It's a magic mirror. Enjoy. Love, Gran.
Magic mirror! Sorry, Timothy. Dinner can wait. Right. Let's see how this works. I can tell you. Huh? Well, it's me, but rather you, but not you in the mirror. I'm just gonna say it again. Huh? Ugh, so the mirror's magic makes another version of you, but inside the mirror. So you live inside the mirror? Yes, but here's the fun bit. I can travel to any mirror you want. Oh, this is going to be fun. Huh? Talk to me. I'm bored. Malice! 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 La 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 la. Oh, I didn't want to have to do this. No, Malice, what are you doing? No! Malice! Malice, please, stop! No! Malice! Do you think she's coming back, Mr. Snuggles? Ah! Olivia, wait! It's fine. I come in peace. Malice, get out of my mirror. I will. But I need your help with something first. I'm listening. Oh, Malice. I'm sorry. It's just... Huh? Where are you? Malice, hello? looking for someone. Huh? But you escaped? I have. But what about our mirror pranks? You're right. We need a malice in the mirror. You should know better than anyone, Malice. Never mess with Malice.